In 2020, we piloted the UPLIFT Community Network, or UCN, to strengthen the support ecosystem for students from disadvantaged families and address schools' attendance issues early. Let me provide an example of the support provided by the UCN. Dania was a secondary 4 student who skipped school frequently and felt disengaged from her teachers and peers. She has 5 other siblings, including a newborn. With her father being the sole breadwinner and mother juggling child-minding responsibilities, Dania did not have a good relationship with her parents, as they found it difficult to set aside the time and energy to engage and support her. Despite Dania's attendance issues, her teachers continued to reach out to her and to encourage her to attend school more regularly. The school also offered financial and academic support to help her cope. The UCN complements the school's efforts in 2 ways. First, the town-level coordinators in the UCN ropes in community resources to provide supplementary support to students' educational and developmental needs. Dania was also enrolled in the Mendaki's tuition scheme, where she also received additional academic and mentoring support. Second, the town-level coordinator supports parents to improve and stabilize the home environment, including having volunteer family befrienders mentor these families. With the relaxation of the COVID-19 restrictions, befrienders resumed in-person visits from June last year, allowing them to better connect with their families. In Dania's case, the coordinator worked with 2 befrienders to provide Dania's mother with emotional and financial support. The befrienders helped Dania's mother with the childcare application for the youngest child, freeing her to better support her other children. With their support and advice, the relationship between Dania and her mother improved tremendously. Dania also regained motivation and confidence in her studies. Her school attendance improved. She did well enough to progress to a course of her choice in ITE. The term has started for a few months now, and I'm glad that she is coping well. Stories like these illustrates how collaboration between schools, families, and the community can benefit our students, those who need help. Parents share that they felt more supported by the UCN, appreciate the increased community support, and have seen positive developments in their children. Schools similarly appreciate the closer collaboration with social service agencies, or SSAs, from the UCN support. This gives us the confidence to continue with our plans to roll out the UCN nationwide to 12 more towns in 2023. We expect to support about 1,300 students and their families this year.